So we start off today's video with this disco letter DIY project. Now this is a cute little weekend project that you can try out when you're bored or if you just want to do something different. So you can of course use the disco stickers for this one, and you're going to grab the letter from like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Ooh, very nice touch with this sequence going there and the butterfly. Really cute idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone making their own sign. This is It's Girl. Oh, I love the way that turned out. So pretty. Cute for like your beauty room or something of that nature. And we have some more of the disco style stickers here. Beautiful gems. Looks like they might be making a table tray of some sort or a mirror design. Oh, that's beautiful. So they did do a table tray. Very nice. Love the heart that lights up too. That's really pretty. So now we have a DIY featuring baking soda. Looks like she's going to be making a vase with this one. I feel like this is a really cool vase to begin with. Like there's a lot of texture added to it, a lot of different ways you can play around with it. So she's doing like a really nice terracotta color. Adding some clay at the top. Oh, I like the detailing with the chain. I feel like this would look really cool in black and gold. Are you guys really surprised? Very cool design. I love the aesthetic behind this. Definitely something different. A chain style vase. Very cool. And then we have this wood trend mirror DIY project. So this is pretty much like a play on that wavy mirror trend, but in wood. Oh, she kind of does like a backwards wavy look. Oh, I like this idea. Very cool concept. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, and I will see you in the next one.